Hello, how are you doing? It's Amin here for another time for another video. For the next one, this one would be about Python modules. And for this one, I would like you really to to position yourself in your working repository, whatever it is. And I will show you something. Is that now today we will, as we are talking about modules, we will create our module, this FIBO, and I would like you, all those files that are actually available in my in the Git repository. You can just go to this one, tutorial, and yeah, you would find them in this link. You would find all the documents link, and you would find it just here. Here it's the FIBO file we have created earlier. FIBO functions we were creating earlier. So in our FIBO file we'll put two functions, fib and fib2, and we'll create also we'll make do a part of the code. If it's one from the command line, we will take the arguments from here to plug them in the function. So that's basically what is this FIBO module is. So here what we can do, instead of writing all this code in our main file, we can import it, and we can import it here if we have it in the same working directory as we have. So here we have the same working directory, so we can import it, and we can just call FIBO, our module, and we call the function, the name function is this one. So it's .fib, and we will do of 1000, and this is the output. It's to calculate the Fibonacci sequence. Next would be to call the second one, the second function. Here we can check the name of the package, of the module or the package, with name, underscore, name, underscore. We can also, instead of accessing those FIBO with a dot, we can just import fib and fib2 and print. We can from FIBO import fib and fib2, and we can just do fib 500 or fib2 500, and we'll have them. So fib1 and fib2, they are different. Here it's a list, and here it's a string with spaces. Next would be, we can import all the functions in FIBO with the white card like this, and we have the fib, and we can also import FIBO as fib. We can rename the package name. So here we can have it, and we have like fib.name, and it's actually the real name of fib is FIBO. We have just renamed it as fib here to use it, but the real name is still FIBO, and we are using it here. Here we can also, from FIBO, we can import fib, as we can rename the function we are importing as Fibonacci, and we can do Fibonacci 500. We can also, and how to do it, we just import it this way.